Okay, you're gonna need your tie, a necklace. I'm gonna use some pins for this project. I'm gonna use the brooch to close the necklace up, and I'm gonna use this brooch on the tie itself. So let's get started. So first of all, I want this part, the first part, 10 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inches is about right there. It's about right here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bring the tie, slide those over. I'm gonna bring the tie down. And I'll bring it back up. So if you want more than that showing, you just bring it up to wherever you want it. Make sure that this is all the way up to the top. Then you're gonna bring this part down, making sure that you leave that all the way up at the top. And then you're gonna bring it back up. Okay, so now when you bring it back up, just make sure that you're holding these pieces in place. You do not need a rubber band if you just hold on to these pieces. So I'm gonna turn it around and show you. So this is about where I want it to scrunch up for me. So I'm holding this tight, these pieces, because I don't want it to unfold. And then I'm gonna bring this part around. But before I bring it around, I wanna push this back that way. Still holding on to these pieces. And I wanna push this in. I wanna push this side in. So you kind of get the bow look. And if it's not staying, it's okay. You still got time. Just make sure that you're holding tight. You're holding everything tight. So once I've gotten it around, I just turned it back around to the back. I'm gonna bring it up through here. And I'm still holding on to these pieces because this mainly, I don't want it to get too tight. All I'm trying to do is make the front piece tight. So back around to the front. This is what it's looking like so far. So as I pull this piece, I also need to make sure that I'm not pulling it down that way. So you may have to pull and straighten up, pull and straighten up. So once I've gotten it tight enough, I will go around one more time. I'll go around one more time. So I'm not completely finished. But once I go around one more time, I want to take it through that loop just to secure it that much more. Okay, so before I move any further, I want to make sure that I'm straightening out all of my pieces. I want to make sure that they're all straightened out before I go any further. So that's good enough. So I want this part with the seam, I want it down. So we're trying to get the bow that I just had. When we started. Okay? So that's how I want this. That's where I want that to stay. So I want to put a pin right there just so that doesn't move. Okay. So this little short one, hold on, let me show you something else. In case you don't want to do anything with this. If you don't want to do anything with this, all you need to do is just tuck it right underneath there. That's really tight and it'll stay. It'll stay. And you can just wear it like that. If you just wanted it to be plain and simple, you could just wear it just like that. Okay, but I want to do something with this part. So I'm gonna lift these up, pull this tight, and just temporary, I want to hold it with this straight pin. Just so it'll stay in place. I want to make sure that it stays in place. And as I'm going, you see me readjusting, adjusting, readjusting. Just make sure you're paying attention to your bow, because you don't want to get everything in place and then your pin, your bow is not right. So I want to have these even here at the bottom. So I'm gonna take a pin so this doesn't move. I want it to stay right there. Then I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of press right there, put my thumb there, and just kind of lift it a little bit like so. And I'm gonna put a pin right there, just so it'll stay in place. Just so that little curve will stay in place. So it's not exactly, but it's close to what I had. And so I just want to place this brooch in here somewhere. And I think right along in here would be just great. I can actually take this pin out because that is not going to move, and I can actually take this pin out. But what I would do, if I'm just going to make it temporary and not mess my tie up, I'll probably find something really cute, or just take a little bit of thread and just tack it just a little bit right on that edge. I'm gonna try to make it to where you can't see that pin on that side. There we go. Okay, so that's done. And the only thing that's left is the necklace. So I'm just gonna run the necklace through. I folded it in half because it's too long. And then I'm gonna put the brooch on. To secure it in place. And there we go. There it is. And that's it. So whether you want to do it yourself or you want me to do some for you, just let me know. Inbox me or comment below. Thank y'all so much.